Hi, uh, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how I make this uh, dahlia flower, and I'm just gonna show you how to make this flower. And with regards to the putting the stem together, I'm gonna put a separate video on it, but just the flower itself. So when you buy this template, unfortunately this is because of the design, it is only available in SVG and DXF. So what I have here is an 8.5. I lay it out this way. So when you buy the template, it's already laid out this way. All you need to do is to size it. So in one paper, one 8.5 by 11 paper, you can create two flowers like this. So in each flower, let's set this one aside. In each flower, you need 5 different sizes. So group your petals in 5 different sizes. So it's gradual from the largest to the smallest. So the first thing that one of the crucial tool to make this possible, although you can just do it by hand, is this spatula from Cricut. I don't know if Cameo has also the same thing, but this one is a lifesaver for me. Or a butter knife. So let me show you how I do it. So basically, we're going to create a texture on it, and the way how I do it is fold this in the middle. And because the petals are so tiny, it's hard to just fold it, by hand. You can try, but the way how I do it, you see this spatula thing, the flat surface area, I place it like in the very middle, also reaching to the very end of the petal to its base, and then just press it a little bit and fold it. I'm sure if you have Cricut, you have this one, but for some reason you don't have, what you can do is the same thing, the flatter area of your butter knife, press it and then fold it upward like so. So I'm just gonna continue doing this until we finish the entire thing. So basically, you are doing the same thing to the 5 layers of your flower. And to make this tutorial short, I already prepared a folded petals that I set aside. I just wanted you guys to see how I fold the flowers this tiny. So there you have it. We have texture on our flower. So basically, we will finish folding it to create one flower. So let's get the petals that I already pre-made. So the smallest to largest. So with this flower design, I love to use like a pearl, or maybe you can use crystal in the middle, depending on how you really wanted to finish it. But for mine, because this one is an order, it's for a bouquet, and she would love to have pearls on it, I choose pearl. So basically, what I am doing right now is get the largest and the second largest and place the second layer, in the middle with a staggered arrangement. It's like window placement of petals. And once you are satisfied, you can fold the second layer a little bit. You can bend it a little bit and squeeze some glue to keep it in place. And remember to be careful because it's hot. So basically this flower, we're already, you know, it already looks like a flower. So it really looks like a hydrangea to me. And you can put some larger petals on it. And basically we can even use the dandelion one, this, if we want to. If we will just keep it in 2 layers, that's fine. But I wanted to use 5 layers of it. So what I'm trying to do, I'm adding the 3rd largest, and again the same thing as I position the 2 earlier petals. I place it in the middle in a staggered way, and once I'm satisfied with the position, I'm just holding it, you know, as tight as I can, all 3 petals together, and fold the upper layer, or the newest one, and squeeze some glue behind it. So it would create more volume and texture into our flower. So the next thing we have is our fourth layer. So by this time we need to start folding our petals upward like so. And let's position this here the same time, staggered way, and let's try to fold it and sneak some glue in the middle. And there's our 4th layer. So let's work on our 5th layer, and the same thing, we're going to raise the petals upward, as upward as we can. And we're going to put it in the middle again in the staggered way. But since this is a tiny one, it's very delicate. We're going to put the glue first, and before we even stick the base, let's try to make sure that we are at the right position. You only have 1 shot on this. Make sure that it's in the staggered order like so. So for me, having 5 layers really makes it looks like more of a dahlia. So once it's done, we can then now place our crystal or whatever bling you wanted to put at the middle. So gently and precise, we drop the pearl in the middle with the glue on it to keep it in place. So now we have our dahlia with this pearl in the middle. But as I said, you can really put a dandelion on it. Just fold your dandelion. By the way, this one is 1.2 inches in diameter. And after you did this, you can then now put the glue on the base and place it in your flower if you want. So you can make it in whatever color you want, whatever color of whatever theme you have in your project. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned from this short video tutorial, and leave a comment below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.